Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson we're going to be drawing something for my friend Martin. Now Martin does all the music you can hear in the background of my videos. He's very good on guitar and he kindly offered to do some music for me when I first started doing these. So I asked him what he'd like me to draw and he suggested a Finnish moose. Now Martin's wife Inna is from Finland and he thought it would be fun to draw, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's make a start. First we'll draw an eye, and a pupil, and another eye. Put the other pupil in. Now these moose, are sometimes known as elks, have very long noses. We'll put that in. And they have these kind of upper lips that hang down. Draw that. Some nostrils. Just bring that into the eyes there. And then let's put his jaw in. Make it a bit shaggy at the bottom. Now, do the rest of his head. In slightly because that's where we're going to put the antlers. Put some hair on top. Same the other side and down. Now let's put those antlers in. These are almost like huge outstretched hands. We'll put this bit that sticks out and the rest is like fingers, huge fingers. Apparently the males grow these every year and it's to prove they're the best. So whoever's got the biggest and best antlers is considered top moose in the woods. You rarely see these moose in the wild. They're quite elusive despite being as big as cows really. The only time you might spot them is when they come out to graze on a meadow, so we're going to do that today, and it's why our moose is looking a little bit startled, as though he's been spotted. Let's put this down. Put his leg in. His kneecap, the back of his leg. Now I'm not going to draw any feet because all the pictures that I saw, they were in these kind of deep grassy meadows, so you don't actually see their feet. I'm not just avoiding drawing their feet, I promise. Okay, and then his back leg, which bends the other way. These huge haunches. And apparently they're very good swimmers as well. You wouldn't think it looking at them, but yeah, they're excellent swimmers, and they often go into a river to cool off. These little tails. Just comes down like that. Bend in the back of the leg. There we are. Grass in to hide his feet. Should we put him at the edge of the meadow here? So he's just come out of the woods, so we need some trees in the background. Chewing on some cud there. Some shocked eyebrows. He's just been spotted. Put some detail into his fur. Some grass sticking up, smaller in the background, slightly bigger in the foreground, so we get a sense of perspective. Some grassy tufts. Let's put those woods in I was talking about. So the pictures I saw, they were almost like silver birch trees, really tall ones. These sort of dappling leaves on top. This is quite a neat way of just doing birch bark. A couple of diagonal lines here and there. Just put this wood across here. Lots of trees. Providing the sort of perfect cover for our moose to hide. Their antlers look almost like branches as well, reaching up and out. To draw today. Obviously you can spend a lot longer doing this. You can really take your time drawing each tree, and the trees further back, they would get a little bit smaller as they get further back. Build a real sort of magical wood. Some of my favourite trees, the silver birch, they're a beautiful looking tree. You sometimes get moose in Canada as well. Huge, huge creatures. There we go, there's the last tree in the foreground. That already looks like a wood. If we put some of these kind of thinner lines behind, it just gives a sense that there's even more trees behind them. And it's a deep, dark wood that the elk can go to explore. Put some detail under the eyes and on the nose. And there we have it. There is our finished moose, finished in his meadow and with the woods behind. I hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. That one was for Martin and Inna. And remember to subscribe if you want to see all the new ad arts that will be coming soon, and give me a little like if you've enjoyed drawing along with that. And if you want to make a suggestion like Martin, then you can get a grown-up to leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and maybe I'll choose yours for next time. Okay, well that's it for today. I'll see you next time on Ad Art. Bye for now.